By the end of the video, you will know about how to effectively incorporate a medicine ball into your workout routine for a full body strength and conditioning session. Medicine balls are versatile tools that can add variety and intensity to your workouts. Here's how you can make the most out of them. Core exercises. Start with core exercises like medicine ball crunches, Russian twists, or sit-ups. These exercises engage your abdominal muscles and improve core stability. Upper body strength. Use the medicine ball for upper body exercises such as medicine ball push-ups, chest passes, and overhead throws. These movements help strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms, while also improving coordination. Lower body power. Incorporate lower body exercises like squats with a medicine ball, held at chest level, lunges with a twist, or single leg deadlifts with a medicine ball in hand. These exercises target your legs, glutes, and enhance balance. Functional movements. Integrate functional movements such as wood chops, where you rotate your torso while swinging the medicine ball diagonally across your body. This exercise mimics real-life motions and improves overall athleticism. Cardiovascular endurance. Boost your cardiovascular endurance with exercises like squat jumps with a medicine ball slam or overhead slams. These dynamic movements elevate your heart rate and burn calories effectively. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ISO 100 and Optimum Push and Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. Incorporating a medicine ball into your workout routine only adds variety, but also challenges your muscles in new ways. Whether you're aiming to build strength, improve stability, or enhance your overall fitness level, these exercises with a medicine ball can help you achieve your goals effectively.